Well, let's welcome in Prakash Diwan into the conversation. Prakash, morning and season's greetings. Wish you a very, very happy new year. My first conversation with you in 2025. So let's start right there. ITC, I mean, tell us how you look at the rest of the businesses, ex-hotels, and whether you like hotels enough and you think there's enough value unlocking potential, because you need to own the shares today if you want to get, if you want to participate and have the, the listed hotels business as well.
Yeah, thank you, Surbhi, and best wishes for 2025 to you as well. It's very simple. The ITC stock hasn't gone anywhere, as you rightly said, post the BAT exit. It moved up. It's been steady. Well, everybody's been waiting for this event. This was a critical event in terms of price discovery. If the ITC hotel loses, let's say, $20, that means the hotel business is getting valued at 200. So it's going to be nothing very dramatically different if you already own the ITC hotel, ITC limited stock beforehand. But now you have a very clear choice of whether you want to own the fast-moving hotel business or the fast-moving consumer goods sector. So that differentiation means a lot to a lot of people who allocate money. If FMCG is not drawing that kind of capital in recent times because of the slowdown and general tepid performance that you see from the sector, it's probably the hotel business that could fetch a lot of attention. And my sense is that's exactly what will happen once it gets listed and traded in the month of February. But ITC itself, after this demerger, starts getting to use this cash that it generates for growing its other businesses. And some of the FMCG businesses have started maturing quite well. The consumer-facing businesses, the products which they've been recently trying to rebrand and relaunch. My sense is ITC also will benefit. So win-win for both. I don't see there's no preference over one over the other. It's going to be actually beneficial to buy both if you really want to. On the hotel business, I'm very positive. In fact, the likes of Lemon Tree, if you recall about 4 months back, there was this setback that Lemon Tree had in its quarterly earnings, saying, they have a lot of money that's been allocated to refurbishment and all of that. And the stock went all the way down to 120 or something, and it's moved back, started moving up. I think it's still a very good buy at these levels, given the expansion that it's doing. So it's a great space. ITC will get very good premium valuations eventually, if not today. And that's what we would expect.
What's your view on Easy Trip? A business that was bootstrapped and, it started off very, very well and they were growing the business till what happened in the last 12 months or so. Corporate actions, promoter selling stake, a lot of uncertainty.
Absolutely. I mean, that's exactly why it's not taken flight. And I hope, all these innovations that he's talking about come around in terms of creating shareholder value, which has been languishing for a while. It's a very competitive business. You can't keep on burning cash and expect to get market share when you have much more established business, you have a head start. So things are difficult. It's not easy at all. But yeah, I mean, you'll have to wait for things to turn around before taking any kind of interest in terms of a buying call. But as of now, it's just wait and watch.